laser tool, and the blending options. Alright, going to look at these things. Okay, so I have opened a new document. I have selected my size. This is it, and then I want to use a gradient as my background. So instead of selecting the rectangle tool and then drawing a rectangle, okay, changing the color and using it as my background, I can equally use gradient. Right, so let me delete this. I can equally use gradient as my background. So with that, what will I do? I will come here. Alright, it is an adjustment layer, so I will come here, click on it, and then you see these options, a lot of them here. Alright, so you select gradient. Alright, so you see this option too, so you can click on this one and then another pan will open. Okay, so these are some of the gradients I have that are saved here. Alright, so you can select any of those gradients and you see them in your document. Okay, but you can also make your own gradients here. So this is the gradient bar. Right, I click on this and then I will click on this. You see color, then the color picker will appear. Alright, so this is where you're going to select the colors you want. Alright, this is where you're going to select the colors you want. So red, right, I'm going to select the colors. So I'm going to use this, then I will click here, click that, and then I'm going to use a darker shade of the red. That's how I normally do my gradient, a lighter shade of the color and then the darker shade of that same color. Right, after that you click OK. Right, then OK for this one too. So you can do some settings here. Alright, you have the style, right, so you have radial, you see, angle, reflected, and then diamond. So this you have to be playing around them. Okay, so if you use a radial like this, the lighter shade is in the middle, then the darker ones around it. Then you can come to scale, right, scale, and then you are scaling, right. So depends on how you want the gradient to be, then you can make the settings here. Then you have the angle. Okay, angle here, you can use it to change the angle of the gradient force, right. So you see angle. Okay, that is it. So after that, then okay, so you have your gradient here. So that's the gradient layer. So you have to also, you need you have to be renaming your layers. Right, I don't like renaming it, bad though, but I don't like it. Okay, but you have to learn to rename name your layers to be easy for you to identify.